dance is called Pardon My French. It's a 36 count, 4-wall, beginner stroke improver level line dance with 3 restarts and 1 tag. Starting on the right foot with a vine. So step right to the side, cross the left behind, step the right to the side. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight on the right, make a quarter turn left as you step that left forward. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, step back on the right. Into a little weave, crossing the left behind the right to the side, cross the left over. Now set of steps once more then, vining off on the right. 7, 8. Side behind side, cross rock turn, forward rock back, behind side cross. Scissor step, right foot leading, so you step right to the side, left beside right, cross the right over. Vine to the left, stepping left to the side, cross right behind, left to the side. Cross rock, right over left, recover your weight on the left, make a quarter turn right, as you step that right forward. Into a chase half turn. Step forward on the left, pivot half a turn right, step forward on the left. That set of steps once more then, scissor step off on the right. 7, 8, scissor step, side behind side, cross rock turn, step, pivot step. Now you have got the equivalent of a 3/4 turn with that cross rock quarter turn and then your chase half turn. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do is start the same as everybody else with your scissor step and your vine, side behind side. Go into your cross rock, recover, now instead of turning a quarter right, turn a quarter left as you step back on the right. Then rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step forward on the left. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that 3/4 of turn out in that section. So let's add that to the top. Vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side behind side, cross rock turn, forward rock back, behind side cross. Scissor step, side behind side, cross rock turn, step, pivot step. Cross the right over the left, point the left to the side. Cross left over right, point the right to the side. Into a rocking chair, right foot leading, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. Straight into a jazz box, quarter turn with a step at the end. So you cross the right over left, step the left back, quarter turn right, step forward on that left. Straight into a rumba box, forward. So we step left and right to the side, left beside right, step the right forward, left to the side, right beside left, step the left back. So there are a lot of hand counts in this dance. And there's not much of a pause between some of the steps in this particular section. So those steps once more then, cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, step, side, close, step, side, close, back. So you just go straight from your cross points into your rocking chair, straight into your jazz box, straight into your rumba box, and then you get a little pause. Let's add that onto the top. Vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side behind side, cross rock turn, forward rock back, behind side cross. Side, close, cross, scissors, side behind side, cross, rock, turn, step, pivot, step. cross, point, rocking chair, cross, back, turn, step, side, close, back. And on a back mambo, half turn. So you're going to roll back on the right, recover your weight on the left, make that half turn left as you step back on that right. It's your mambo half. Into a coaster step, left foot leading, back close step. And weave, right foot crossing over, left to the side, cross the right behind and start to sweep the left back. That set of steps once more then. Back mambo half off on the right. 7, 8, mambo half, coaster step, cross side behind. Let's add that to the top. Vine to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side behind side, cross rock turn, forward rock back, behind side cross, scissor step, side behind side, cross rock turn, step, pivot step, cross point, rocking chair, cross back turn, step, side close back, back mambo half, coaster step, cross side behind. To finish the dance then, that left foot is in motion, sweeping backwards, you're going into another weave, crossing the left behind, right to the side, cross the left over. Then add on a rocking chair, right foot leading, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. That set of steps once more then, into that weave, left foot leads. 7, 8, behind side cross, rocking chair. So that is the end of the dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Line to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side behind side, cross rock turn, forward rock back, behind side cross, scissor step, side behind side, cross rock turn, step, pivot step, cross point, rocking chair, cross back turn, step, side close back, mambo half, coaster step, cross side behind side cross, rocking chair. So that is your dance. Like I said, there's a lot of round counts in it, so let's go through it now with the counts. Line into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. Like I said, a lot of round counts, not a lot of room for breathing. But that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Line into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side behind side, cross rock turn, forward rock back, behind side cross, scissor step, side behind side, cross rock turn, step, pivot step, cross point, rocking chair, cross back, turn, step, side close, side close back, mambo half, coaster step, cross side behind, behind side cross, rocking chair, side behind side, cross rock turn, forward rock back, behind side cross, scissor step, side behind side, cross rock turn, step, pivot step, cross point, rocking chair, cross back, turn, step, side close back, mambo half, coaster step, cross side behind side cross, rocking chair, side behind side, cross rock turn, forward rock back, behind side cross, scissor step, side behind side, cross rock turn, step, pivot step, cross point, rocking chair, cross back, turn, step, side close back, mambo half, coaster step, cross side behind side cross, rocking chair. That's your dance. Now there are 3 little restarts and 1 tag in this dance. 2 of the restarts come on walls 1 and 4. Walls 1 and 4 are both your 12 o'clock wall. It's effectively after 34 counts. So you do the whole dance, but not the rocking chair at the end. And that is where you restart. So let's just take you through walls 1 or 4, take your pick. 34 counts and restart, so don't do the last rocking chair. Vine to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side behind side, cross rock turn, forward rock back, behind side cross, scissor step, side behind side, cross rock turn, step, pivot step, cross point, rocking chair, cross back, turn, step, side close back, mambo half, coaster step, cross side behind side, cross restart, side behind side, cross rock turn. So that's your first and third restart point. Walls 1 and 4, after 34 counts, you don't do the last rocking chair. You then have a tag followed by a restart in wall 3. This one comes after 16 counts. So after you've done your chase half turn, you add on your tag and restart the dance. The tag for this one is a rocking chair. So you miss the rocking chair out on 2 restarts, you add it in as your tag and then restart on wall 3. Wall 3 is our 6 o'clock wall. So let's take you through 16 counts. So like I said, you do that chase half turn, add on your tag, rocking chair, restart the dance. Vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side behind side, cross rock turn, forward rock back, behind side cross, scissor step, side behind side, cross rock turn, step, pivot step, tag, rocking chair, restart, side behind side, cross rock turn. So hopefully you can see how that one fits in. So wall 1, you have your restart after 34 counts, miss off the rocking chair. You then get to wall 3, which is your 6 o'clock wall. You restart after 16, once you've done an additional rocking chair as your tag. And then once you've done that, you know you're in wall 4, so again, 34 counts, miss off the rocking chair. So that is it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag and restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, six, seven, eight. Fine. Should we start wall? Cross, rock, turn. Forward, rock, back, behind, side, cross. Scissors, step, side, behind, side. Cross, rock, turn, step, pin, step. Cross, point, rocking chair. Cross, back, turn, step, side, close, step. Side, close, back. Mambo, half. Coaster, step. Cross, side, behind, side, cross. Restart, side, behind, side. Cross, rock, turn. Forward, rock, back. Behind, side, cross. Scissor, step. Side, behind, side. Cross, rock, turn. Step, pull, step. Cross, point, rocking chair. Back, turn, step, side, close, step. Side, close, back. Mambo, half. Coaster, step. Cross, side, behind, side, cross. Rocking chair. Fine, should we start all with the tag? Cross, rock, turn. Forward, rock, back. Behind, side, cross. Scissor, step. Side, behind, side. Cross, rock, turn. Step, pivot, step, tag, rocking chair. Restart, side, behind, side. So next restart wall. Scissors. Cross rock. Crosswards.
I saw the answer. Worth 1,000
Number.
words. 'Cause love in every language is the sweetest sound on earth.
Restart. Vine.
Pardon my French, je vous sais beaucoup.
Scissors.
I ain't very good at saying I love you.
Cross point.
Words come out all wrong. I hope this feeling shines through. So if you pardon my French, je vous sais beaucoup.
Weave.
I'm in love with you. If
Fine.
you pardon my French, je vous sais beaucoup. I ain't very good at saying I love you.
Cross point.
Words come out all wrong. I hope this feeling shines through. So if you pardon my French, je vous sais beaucoup. I'm in love with you. And if words come out all wrong, I hope this feeling shines through. So if you pardon my French, je vous sais beaucoup. I'm in love with you.
Hope you managed that one.